Hello, everyone. This is a quick video about Digital Wealth Pros. And today, what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you information about Digital Wealth Pros, the different levels. And some people want to know, can you actually make money with the system and how does it work? So what I'm going to do is just fill you in on how Digital Wealth Pros work, what's actually going on right now with Digital Wealth Pros, and how it can actually help you to start getting these $200 to $800 payouts consistently using this platform. So here, what you're looking at right now is my website for Digital Wealth Pros. I professionally had this created for those who are part of my team. This is not the company sales page, okay? So if you like the company sales page, when you sign up, you will have the option to use the Digital Wealth Pros sales page that's provided by the company. But I decided to have mine customized because we have some additional bonuses that's included for all of those that decide to join my team. And the reason why I've included these bonuses is because I want each individual to make sure, I want to make sure that everyone has the training that they need to run traffic and some additional offline resources that you can use to start getting unlimited payouts with this system. Now, I'm going to share with you the things that I love about this system. First and foremost is this is a one-time payment opportunity, okay? So if you decide to come in at the $200 level, you're going to pay that one time. $400, same thing applies, and then the $800 level. For the next 3 days, well, the timing of this when you see this video is probably 2 days. We now have a special, it's a bonus, where if you join at the $800 level, they're going to automatically bump you up to the next level, which is the $1,500 level. And again, that's going to be going on for the next couple of days. It's a perk that the company is sharing with all of their members to give them access to additional trainings, and not only that, be able to collect at the higher levels, okay? So with that said, if you want to take advantage of that, I definitely would think that everyone needs to get in as quickly as possible to be able to take advantage of that perk that they're offering for all of their $800 members. If you are currently an $800 member, you're going to automatically get bumped up to the highest level when that opens up. So here you see there they have a countdown for the new level. It has begun, where you're going to be able to get $1,500 commissions on every single person that comes in and decides to join with your link, okay? So that means that we will now have 4 levels for Digital Wealth Pros. So for those who may be asking, this website, if you get yours customized through my team website, this information will be updated once that goes into effect to show that we now have a new level that's going to consist of $1,500 payouts for each person that joins at the top level. So Digital Wealth Pros, what is it all about? Digital Wealth Pros is an educational platform that's going to allow you to make commissions right from home. If you have an online business, you're going to be able to use their traffic training strategies to grow your business. And then you can use Digital Wealth Pros as a standalone opportunity to start pushing this to make unlimited payouts. What I love is that the membership site, which you're looking at, is very easy to read and understand, but not only that, it's easy to get started. You're going to be able to get paid multiple different ways, depending on where you're located and what type of payment processor you decide to add to the system. So if you want to use Cash App, you can use Cash App. You want to use Zelle, Venmo, maybe you want to get a money order, Western Union. Maybe you want to use a third-party payment processor like Stripe or Authorize.net. You're going to be able to do so with this system. Here in your back office, you have your dashboard, your getting started, member onboarding, top earners, system messages, CRM manager, your leads. You're going to be able to see as they come into the system. You're going to see how many leads you're receiving. The members that join with you, you're going to be able to see that right now as well. Your products, member resources, and support. This is your member ID here. This is how you get paid. So one of the things that you'll notice is when a person is ready to get started, it's going to tell them the steps to take. You're going to choose how much you want to get paid. So you choose the level you want to come in at. You pay your one-time payment for that level. You pay your admin fee to get access to the membership site and to get your ID number. Once you do that, you're going to be able to open up the portal to the back office of your membership site. Okay, that's how it works. They do speak to every person that's ready to get started. You call, you leave a message with the person's ID number. Someone will give you a call back, send you a link to pay your admin fee. Once you've paid your sponsor and your admin fee, you will then have access to your back office. Okay. So with that said, we have some additional bonuses. If you want to take a look at those bonuses, the link in the description below this video will give you the information for the bonuses. The other thing that I love about just the way this is set up and what I decided to put into the system is that at the $800 level, you are going to also get a one-on-one training with me for an hour so that I'll show you exactly what you need to do to get started, help you get your funnel set up, and not only that, get your domain, okay, connect that to your funnel and start running traffic. So what's going to happen is once you're signed up, you are going to go here to your Get Started tab. And the Getting Started tab is basically the member onboarding session. It just tells you basically what to expect. It gives you everything that you need in order for you to set up your system step by step. So you have your welcome to DWP, just welcoming you and telling you what to expect when you get started. You have your dashboard, system messages, your CRM manager, your leads, your members, your products, member resources, member support. You can manage your profile. This is where you update your personal information, manage your payments. So if you want to update your payment options, you can do so as well. And you can change your password. Here's a quick start guide. And then there's some system legal documents as well, where you can just view this information. But as you can see, it's very clean and organized. And again, you have all of the information that you need back here in order to start pushing this opportunity, to start getting paid with this opportunity and sharing it with others. Okay. What I have also been through so far with the system is the products. They give you other ways to start generating an income online from home, other than Digital Wealth Pros. So it's just not about Digital Wealth Pros. If there's anything else that interests you back here, when you go through your products, you can start implementing that as well in order to start building multiple streams of income from home. And what a lot of people don't understand is that a lot of six-figure earners, seven-figure earners, they have multiple income streams, and they give you that with Digital Wealth Pros. Okay. So again, in the link below is the information for you to join and to get started. As you can see here, here's the information for the upgrade. And again, it's going on until October 1st, no additional cost. And again, if you're already an $800 member, you're going to get that at no additional charge, the upgrade. Okay. So again, if you want to also reach out to me, if you have any other questions before you get started, you can reach out to me as well. And I'll be able to help you and just give you the information that you need in order to get started. So this is just a quick review again about Digital Wealth Pros, what to expect, how to get started. And not only that, taking advantage of what they have for all of the members when they decide to join. It doesn't get any better than that. Being able to collect unlimited $1,500 payments and getting bumped up to that level at no additional charge is going to be life-changing for a lot of people. Because listen, with one sign up, you nearly made back your money. Okay. And then all you have to do is just focus on getting people at any of these levels. People can join at the 200, 400, or 800 once you are at the top level. You pay the top level to get access to all of these levels. One of the things that they don't have is if you come in at the 200 and you decide you want to upgrade, you have to pay the full $400. So I tell people, position yourself where you feel most comfortable. And then as you start to produce an income with the system, then you can upgrade to the next level. This is pretty much the sweet spot, but I've had tons of people come in at the $800 level because they see the power in the system. Not only that, they like the fact that they have call center agents that take the phone calls, answer the questions, and not only that, give them the link for them to get started. Okay, you don't have to worry about doing any of that. The thing with my sales page is that it's just has more information on it. It's more personal. And then again, it has your picture and information. So if people want to contact you directly, they're able to do so. So again, guys, the information is in the description for this system. I love what Digital Wealth Pros has put together. And again, I think this is going to be life-changing for a lot of people that decide to take action with this opportunity. I look forward to working with you, and I hope that you have a great day. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next review video for Digital Wealth Pros. I am going to be going over some of the information that they have for the products that you're going to get. We're going to go over some of the membership resources as well. And then I'm going to share with you guys some of the ways that I promote this opportunity and how you can easily start promoting this opportunity. Even if it's not video marketing, they have tons of different ways that you can start pulling traffic to your link. In the training, they will go over that, and I will be giving you guys some additional perks on how to start getting your link out to more people, and not only that, building a full-time income with the system. So thanks so much again, guys, and have a great day.